So guys, I've rocked about 3 of these different job site radios. I have the littler pack out compatible one, which I gotta say is great for like camping or just taking in a car that might not have a good system. Let's see what this one's all about though. This is what I'm talking about. This guy right here has been an excellent little stereo system for me, but as you will notice, 0 pack out, does have a battery. And you know what it doesn't do? It doesn't charge that battery. That's my biggest complaint. Now, off this little guy, you can charge your phone. So it does have a USB-C. And this one was the 2952-20. The 2956-20 looks like it actually charges all M18 batteries, and it's got some boom boom speakerness. Just recently picked up this literally this weekend, guys. This little Sansui, trying to, I don't know, dabble in some hi-fi. Not that cool, just a Model 400 made in Japan. Pretty sick. I think I gotta do a deal. And some Fisher speakers that are not blown out, some DS816s. Anyways, that will be upgraded. This stuff I'm sure will eventually all be sold on Marketplace as I find better stuff at estate sales. I got the shorts on right now. We're not really rocking anything cool knife-wise. The Victorinox for getting out freaking splinters. It's got 2 woofers in it, 4.48 inch woofers, and then it's got a 1.21 inch tweeter. It's great for those highs. And then we should get some decent bass out of this thing, so I'm pretty stoked. Now, obviously, it is Bluetooth audio link. Oh, sick. So we're gonna have to try this. I'll pull out my other little radio. You can put 2 of these together, or I have this one, this little job site radio, which I'll show you. I think it's an M12 version, and much, much smaller. Okay. What do we got, like a remote or something going on here? We got 2 AA's. We'll figure that out in a second here. Boom. Beastly. It's quite large. So if you're looking for something minimal, this ain't it, right? That's it. Next to the other guy. Boom. Much bigger. Can we see the woofers in this thing? I think the woofers are in the backside. I can't really see them right now. It's got a nice little antenna. Doesn't really go up or anything, but it'll get our channels. We got the M18 port right here, which will an XC. What do I got? Just something random. XC 5.0. Doesn't need a ton of juice. Yeah, that one is charged up. You can see, looks like we got the USB-C here, so there is no USB-A, which is totally fine. I don't really feel that you need it. There is this cord here because we're going to be able to charge our battery. Bluetooth, job site radio, and charger. Yes, charger. Ooh. Ah, crispy. Connected to my phone, maybe. Bluetooth. Let's see. There's the Milwaukee right there. Let's connect. Alright, pretty simple. People don't even know about troubleshooting anymore because Bluetooth makes it easy. Now, usually, yeah, volume from your phone. Wow. Sounds really good. So you can tune in the bass. Kentucky, to the pines. The way the morning open. Heck yeah. So, there we go. That thing looks sweet. Let's get to
right now before it takes a seat.
644. My god, normal radio is horrible. But anyways, that thing is pretty dope. I'm digging it. Hopefully we didn't get any copyright strikes there. It's got the antenna on it. It'll do 8 hours on an XC 5.0. That's what I put in here. And up to 16 hours at 50% volume. So 100% volume, 8 hours. Half 50% volume, 16 hours. Pretty dang sweet. And pop-out compatible, resistant, IP65. Pimping the pack out. Huh. Looks like it doesn't go like this. Okay. So it actually, we're going to move our light. It's actually going to go on the side. As you can see like this. I don't know if that's changeable. don't know if you could swap that around. It'd kind of be nice if you could swap that. I'll have to look into it. But it looks like it just kind of goes just on the side. Like that. So a little side mount situation. Put our light on here. Yeah, I kind of feel like I would like this from the front of my pack outs. Just for tool wise and things like that. But overall, pretty cool. Not too shabby. For just 25. Yeah, not too bad. Are you guys rocking one of these? And do you care? I think that, you know, having the USB-C here and being able to plug this thing in and charge is a game changer, because I have one in my truck. It's not that one, and it doesn't charge batteries, and that's always annoyed me. So having this like on a lift or something is great, because you can charge batteries at the same time. Then these two AAA batteries actually go right here, which is kind of weird in my opinion. They're just not really showing it. You kind of got to read hard, and no one likes to read, so, you know, pictures would be best. But there you go. Oh yeah, AAA's go right there. Screw that down so we can use this cord and actually charge this battery, which is already charged. But let's just see how it goes. Unplug this for this. Got my nice little charging station all set up, but yeah, let's see what this does. Oh yeah, you can see M18 and it shows fully charged. Now I definitely do need to set the clock on this, which I'll do, but now I want to see about this linking thing, because I think this is pretty cool. See, I got that link, and then I got this M12 version right here. And then I'm gonna hit that button, and now will both of these play the same music is the question, because if it does, and it's that easy, that is pretty cool. Yeah. Wow. And that's pretty neat, because you can have sort of like a stereo setup. This one I highly recommend if you're just trying to have like something minimal on your pack out or on like a cart or something like that. This is an M12. It's pretty nice, pretty lightweight. This is the big boy. This is the job site one. You really want to care about charging M18 batteries while doing it, instead of having, you know, just a radio, job site radio like this. It does not charge batteries. Milwaukee actually coming out with that. I think they've really stepped up their game on that, and that is cool. And also though, this M12 one, just so you guys are aware, it does kind of hang from wherever, and this one actually has its own little pack out situation where you can twist it on there as well. Pretty cool. Let's see if we can get the orientation how we like it. That's pretty cool.